Hey, Box users. I'm Alex, your developer advocate here at Box.
And I'm Gavin, customer education consultant here at Box. And today we're going to be talking about how to connect your Box and Salesforce accounts. So, Alex, why do our enterprise customers love connecting these two platforms?
So let's say that your team has Box and your team also has Salesforce. It would be really nice to be able to use the same content within both. And our Box for Salesforce managed package allows you to do that. You can show Box content on an account page, an opportunity page, or other custom object. Plus, it provides unlimited storage within Box, which Salesforce does not provide natively. And it's super easy to set up. Gavin, what are 3 things that customers should know before they set up this managed package?
Yeah, so 3 things you just need to be aware of before setting this up is that you'll need a Box paid enterprise or enterprise plus account. You'll also need 2 Box seats, one for the service account and the other for the end user. Lastly, we just want you to note that the dollar service fee in the Salesforce App Exchange is waived for the Box customers and won't be collected.
And if you need help, just contact Salesforce at box.com for assistance. With that, let's jump into the demo.
Let's do it.
Let's create a Box service and user account, connect Box accounts to Salesforce, assign a Box root folder from a Salesforce account page, then assign user permissions. First, let's start in Box from the admin console. Create a Box user account to act as a Box service account in Salesforce. This user will be the owner of the Box root folder we'll create later in Salesforce. And if needed, create at least one additional account to act as a typical end user. This must be a separate account from the Box service account user. Next, we'll move to Salesforce. Give the Salesforce admin Box admin permissions by searching and selecting users in the Quick Find box. Then choose the Salesforce admin user. Scroll down to Permission Set Assignments and select Edit Assignment. Add Box admin to the Enable Permission Sets and save. Now, navigate to the Salesforce App Launcher, search and find Box, and select the Box Settings tab. Next, to sign into Box Service Account, choose Connect. Then choose Connect again. Sign into the Box Service Account, authorize, grant access to Box, review and allow access, then select Finish. Repeat the process for logging in as a Box user. Select Connect, Connect Account, Authorize, grant access to Box, then Finish. Next, from Salesforce, assign a Box root folder. Choose Assign, name the root folder and create, then select Finish. Note that the Box service account will have owner access to this folder from their All Files page. Lastly, from Salesforce, adjust user permissions. Choose Assign, then manage assignments for a specific permission set, Box Admin, Box Standard, or Box Sign. Select the checkbox and choose Finish when assignments are completed. Now, let's see Box and Salesforce connected from a Salesforce opportunity page. If accessing through a Salesforce TrialForce account, the Box component will already exist on the opportunity page layout. If not, add by clicking Edit Page under the Setup menu, search Box, drag and drop Box to the page layout, and select Save. Select Create Folder, and a new folder is automatically created in Box with a Salesforce opportunity name as the title, and accessible directly from the Salesforce opportunity page.
Thanks, Gavin, for showing us how easy it is to connect Box and Salesforce.
Absolutely. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to salesforce@box.com.